Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to raise Ranapala plant from the leaf. It's also known as miracle plant, kidney stone plant. So in this video I am not going to discuss anything about the benefits of this plant, but I will show you how easily we can grow at our home. I have taken the leaves from the healthy plant, and here I have a pot mixture consists of vermicompost, cocoa peat and red soil. As I am showing in this video, we have to cover this leaf with soil, and after a few days we start seeing the new roots coming from each corner of the leaf. We should water regularly and keep the soil moisture. After few days we will start seeing small sprouts are coming each side of the leaf. It's almost 20 days. Here you can see the small plants are started growing on the sides of the leaf. And I will let it grow for a few more days before transplanting into bigger container. It's 45th day, plants are grown much bigger. I think now it's time to transplant into another containers. And very carefully we should separate plant from the leaf and take it out without damaging the roots of the plant.